So these are my friends, those who are taking part in the today's hike. Morning, sir.
Hi, morning. How are you?
Morning. How are you?
Morning, Arvinda.
Ready for the show?
Ready for the adventure?
Sir, ready? Follow me.
Follow Arvinda. ரொம்ப beautiful இருக்குது இடமெல்லாம்.
நல்லா இருக்கு. This is a good place.
So serene atmosphere all around.
And then very rustic also, la?
Very much.
Very close to the nature kind of a thing.
Beautiful. Amazing.
Believe Waterfalls Inn is the name of the restaurant.
I see.
Rooms are comfortable. So
Services.
you are asking me about the mountain, right?
Exactly. The
So
Fajato.
Aduda, that is the tallest in Ghana,
I see.
measuring up to 885 meters.
5 meters.
885 meters. This is my first time.
So what is the
So அங்க
duration?
போனா தான் நமக்கு தெரியும். Normally it takes 2 to 2.5 hours, but we can take a little more. So we are now approaching the base of Mount Afadjato, from where we would be starting our climb. I am really excited. This is my first time. Weather has been very friendly. வெயில் இல்லை. Okay, and then for the first 20 or 30 minutes we would be walking under the shades. The hike has actually started. We are walking in a very dense forest kind of an area. The weather is too pleasant, so we aren't finding any difficulty to maneuver the terrain. We are slowly approaching the first step of this terrain. The whole place is so silent, dead silent, or pin drop silent. We can only hear the noises of those little birds chirping here and there. Apart from that, it looks like it is going to be a real forest kind of an experience. So gents, how is it going? You're liking
All
it?
fine, extremely fine.
Uh-huh.
Only thing is we anticipated the gradient would be like this,
Okay.
and it is very much in the same lines. We are trying to cope up, and we are very confident that we will reach the top.
Perfect. You know, we have done 25% of the trial so far.
We have done 25%.
Yeah. There is a signboard. I think you guys missed it.
Okay, then that's good.
Yeah. And in a short time, yeah.
I'm the same as I was down.
David, what do you have to say, man?
Okay, so actually this is the good for hiking and good for exercise.
Okay.
So most people they don't like to do exercise. So actually you should come here and do exercise.
Very
So this is the good place.
I am very sure whatever we are seeing now while going may not be so difficult. We will somehow manage, but I think the descent is going to be really
Yeah,
tough.
you'll have to do a lot of scrambling and all these things.
Absolutely.
Get ready for it, guys.
Yeah.
Cheer up. So far I'm able to manage at least 25% of the terrain now. One has to be very strong or sure-footed, especially when climbing in such terrains. There I am just a beginner. I do find it difficult to climb at some points, especially where it is a bit more steeper than the other places. So far, we have been able to complete almost 3/4 of the terrain. We are slowly inching towards the peak, or towards the top of the mountain. And yes, the terrain has been a bit difficult in some places, being very steep. But somehow it has been a very exciting journey so far. I should say the last 100 or 150 meters has been very difficult, very steep. And yes, here is my friend who has made it to the top. We are almost there. Another 10 meters. Behind me is the Agumatsa range of mountains. Yay! We have made it to.
ഞാൻ അതുക്കുള്ള
We
പോയിരുന്നു.
have done it. Thank you.
Oh, beauty!
Oh,
Wow!
அப்படி போங்க.
85 meters.
This is Ghana Mountaineers. We are so happy that we have made it to the top of Mount Afadja or Afadjato, which is 885 meters taller, and this is the tallest mountain of Ghana. So sir, so how was it?
Yeah, I know.
So how was the experience?
Like this.
Wonderful, Arvind.
Huh? You liked it? Absolutely superb. Except the last 100 meters, easy ஆ தான் இருந்ததுல்ல?
Last 100 meters was easy.
No, you made us do all this.
At the middle, it was very tough.
நடுவுல ரொம்ப tough ஆ இருந்தது.
Very tough.
It was a very pleasing and at the same time an exciting experience that we had today. ரொம்ப நாளாக நானும் பிளான் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தேன் that I have to summit Afadjato அப்படின்னு and somehow it has happened today. I'm very happy for it. Thanks to all my friends, those who encouraged me, especially the hiking team that I'm part of, Sami, Ima, Kevin, Craig and Mahmood. The descending has started and ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி ரொம்பவே ஸ்டீப்பாக இருக்குது.
Very tough.
Huh?
As usual, as expected, very tough.
It's very encouraging, brother.
Okay.
Yes, it's good.
It's steep but
A bit of strain on the knees.
okay.
Still enjoying.
Too much of stress.
Enjoying,
knees.
enjoying.
David, what do you say?
I see
He's-
climbing is good more than descending.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
So how many more meters now?
Halfway, sir.
Maybe
We are only halfway to
yes,
another half.
yes, we are halfway.
Halfway, we're halfway. It's not going to be an easy descending. A lot of places were like very difficult to climb up. So we are going to experience some difficult moments, but that is the most important thing of this hike. So with this the hiking comes to an end. We have officially summited to the top of Mount Afadjato, and then we are heading towards the base camp. So we had a wonderful time. It was fun. It was more exciting, and then a lot of wonderful memories. Great experience standing at the top of the mountain where there was nobody present, but we can see a lot of people coming in now.
Take care.
Welcome. There is a huge group, not less than 30-40 members walking towards the trail. But yes, we are done with the trail now. Feeling very happy.